This cookie recipe got 5 stars. The author doesn't exist, and neither does the cookie. A blogger named Anna Kelly posted it for Thanksgiving. In her own bio, her nephew calls her Aunt Sarah. 2 different names, one person who was never born. An AI invented the dish, the photo, and the woman who supposedly baked it. By the end of this, you'll know why AI does this, how to catch it in about 5 seconds, and why the machine literally cannot know it's making things up. And the part that should actually worry you? It isn't the cookie. It's what happens when the invented recipe says, "Forage this." Here's how it actually plays out. A CNN reporter went looking for Thanksgiving cookies, found chocolate acorns with little nut-covered caps. The recipe promised a batch in 45 minutes. She finished at 1 in the morning, 5 hours, including an emergency run to the store for an ingredient the recipe forgot to mention. And what came out? Misshapen globs of chocolate-dunked peanut butter cookies that looked nothing, and I mean nothing, like acorns. The picture she followed was never a photograph. No one ever made that cookie. The AI just drew it. So why does this keep happening? Here's the thing most people get wrong. When you ask an AI for a recipe, it doesn't go find one. It has never tasted food. It's never smelled an onion hit hot oil. It builds the recipe one word at a time, predicting whatever word is statistically most likely to come next. Flour, then sugar, then probably eggs. That's not cooking. That's autocomplete wearing an apron. And here's the uncomfortable part. The AI isn't lying to you. It can't lie. It has no idea there's a difference between a real recipe and a convincing one, which honestly is worse. Researchers have a name for this. They call it hallucination. And a 2025 paper titled "Why Language Models Hallucinate" lays out the cause. The model has no grounding, no tether to the real world, so it genuinely cannot tell a pattern that's plausible from a fact that's true. When there's a gap, it fills it, confidently, with something that sounds right. But here's the hopeful twist, and it matters. A separate study found that if you hand the model a real, tested recipe first, the made-up steps mostly vanish. Grounding is the whole game. No grounding, no truth. Real data in, real cooking out. Now multiply one fake cookie by the entire internet. In late 2025, Fortune reported that AI recipes is flooding Pinterest, Facebook, and your Google results. People are spinning up fake food blogs by the hundreds. Instructions and photos generated, nothing ever tested. You've seen them. $billion biscuits, chicken Alfredo bliss, thousands of likes, 0 kitchens involved. One viral TikTok was AI down to the sound effect, a noise added to food that was never crunchy because it was never real. And the people getting buried? Actual food bloggers who, cook. Okay, the useful part. How do you spot one in about 5 seconds? First, the author. Read the bio. If Anna is suddenly Aunt Sarah, or the site says founded 2019, but the copyright reads 2025, walk away. Second, no ratings, no comments. Real recipes get arguments in the comments. Third, look hard at the photo. Frosting that melts into the cake with no edge. Blueberries that are perfect purple spheres. Steam that goes nowhere. And last, that 45-minute promise on a dish that clearly takes hours. If the math feels too good, no human ever timed it. And now the part I promised you. A funny cookie is a wasted night. But the same machine writes other things. 404 Media found AI-generated mushroom foraging books all over Amazon, written by authors who don't exist. One told readers to identify mushrooms by smell and taste. Let me be clear, that is the method that gets people killed, because the deadly ones are exactly the lookalikes you can't taste your way out of. Wild parsnip versus poison hemlock. Amazon pulled the titles after reporters flagged them. Same hallucination as the cookie, different stakes entirely. The machine still doesn't know it's wrong. So here's the fix, and it's the same word from earlier, grounding. And look, the problem was never AI. It was AI pretending, a made-up dish signed by an author who never lived. We use AI at Recipy too. The difference is honesty. It's grounded in real, tested recipes. And when a recipe is AI generated, we say so, right on it. No fake author. No pretending it came from a kitchen it didn't. Other apps run on your phone. Recipy runs your kitchen. Remember Anna Kelly or Aunt Sarah, whoever she was? You deserve to know which one you're cooking. Next time, I'm walking into the kitchen that listens. Voice AI
Subscribe. Long-form explainers, weekday afternoons.